Welcome to my channel. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. So today I decided to do some acrylic painting. I've been doing a lot of resin work and crafting for Christmas and everything like that, but I miss my fluid art, so today that is what I'm going to be doing on this nice size 18 by 24 inch canvas. I will be doing a Dutchpour, and I will be using Arteza's iridescent galaxy tones. This box right here, I haven't used it. This is my first time using it today. You get 10 acrylic colors in here. You get dreamy yellow, shady orange, fiery red, glowing peach, playful pink, royal purple, electric plum purple, fairy tale blue, shocking lime green, and fancy black. But I, on a white background, using my acrylic, my Artist Loft Flow Acrylics White, I will be using Master's Touch Violet. I'll be using this. This is the only non-Arteza paint I'm using today. I wanted that darker purple color for contrast. I will be using the dreamy yellow, the shady orange, the royal purple, the fairy tale blue. I'm using a lot of colors. Electric plum purple, and glowing peach. For some reason I thought this was pink. So it's peach, glowing peach. Okay, it looks like pink to me, but that's okay. I wanted to do something that was really bright and colorful. I was in that bright, colorful mood, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get started. I really want to get out of my studio really quick today because it is so hot. I think it's about 105 today here in Las Vegas. See, I'm really from the East Coast. That's where I grew up. That's where I've been all my adult life. Cleveland, Ohio. And the difference between Cleveland, Ohio and Las Vegas, Nevada, I've been out here now for going on 4 years this November. The difference is that we have the humidity back on the East Coast, back in Cleveland. Here is straight heat, 3-digit temperatures. So it's so funny because all my 3 daughters moved out here with me, because I wasn't going anywhere without them. I wanted to be near my daughters and near my grandchildren. But this funny thing that we have now is that we dreaded the winters back in Cleveland because they were so bad. But here now, since we've been living in Las Vegas, we look forward to the winter months, because during the winter months, say, I don't know, December, January to February, March, I think. Even when we get to close to November, it is so nice. The temperatures are about 60, 50, 40 degrees. That's what we like. So we look forward to the winters. And you're probably wondering, well, why did you move to Las Vegas if it's so darn hot? I don't know. I wanted a change, and Las Vegas was the one. But we may end up moving again because, you know, the rent out here goes up every year, which is crazy. Never lived anywhere where there's no type of rent laws where they can go up on rent. Even in the middle of a pandemic, We can afford it right now, barely, but jeez, come on now. But I just want to get out of this studio because it's extra hot today back here. Oh, this got a lot of bubbles. Come on now, no more bubbles. Go away, go away. Okay, I think I am pretty much done with this beautiful painting. The Master's Touch Violet is very dark, and I really love that, with the other shades of the purple and the lavender colors and the touch of yellow. A lot of yellow didn't show through, but that's okay. As long as I can see some of the yellow, I'm happy with that. And the pink, although it says peach on the bottle, it looks like pink to me. So I don't know what to tell you. I don't even know what to say about that. It's crazy how it could have a name to be a different color, but it looks completely different than what its name says. But I think it turned out beautifully. I love the pink colors, the yellow, the violet, the purples, and the lavenders. I love it. So I'm going to show you the dry results in a second here, but I wanted to thank you for joining me today. And if you've liked this video, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, because I got some cool things coming up very soon. And I want you to be there. So thank you so much again, guys, for being here. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.